Welcome to Bake and Take Cakes. We're going to learn today that reading long A words is a piece of cake, thanks to our driver, Magic E, who's going to come at the end of our words to help the A make the long A sound. We're going to be baking with Magic E. Let's sound out this word together. K-A-P, cap. We hear the short A sound in cap. With the power of Magic E, he changes the vowel to a long vowel sound. Now the vowel says its name. K-A-P, cape. He has the power to change the vowel sound, but he also has the power of invisible sound himself. He is silent at the end of words. What is this word? Tap, tap. But with the help of the powerful magical E, the A changes its sound. T-A-P, tape. Let's try another one. P-A-O, pal. But with the help of Magic E at the end, pal changes to P-A-O, pale. If you are feeling sick, you might look a little pale. What is this word? Past, past. But with Magic E, the A changes to A, paste, paste, like in glue or toothpaste. Let's see if you can read this word. Full. What sound is the A going to make? A. Flake. Like a snowflake. Let's see if you can read with the power of the Magic E. Sh. A. What is the word? Share. Crave. Crave. This boy is craving bacon. Try to sound out the word. Bathe. And finally, cake. Cake. See, long A with me is a piece of cake, says Magic E.